Hi everyone, it's Brett from Allswell Filtration and Pumping Solutions based out of High River, Alberta, Canada. It's April 14th today, 2021. I haven't been on here for a bit. Things have been busy and we're all kind of adjusting to all the COVID stuff and making things work. So keep it forging forward and we'll all get through this together for sure. Just thought I'd reach out this quick video. So we did another cool little system here. I got a customer. We're just up by Spruce Meadows here, so just west of Calgary. They have a piece of land. They're not going to build for a few years. So we have put another pressure system under our water. It's a great way of utilizing the well on your property without digging in a whole bunch of pits and stuff to create a system. So the downfall is you have to go with a bit of a bigger stock water. So in this case we've gone to a number 5 Ritchie. These guys are just doing horses, so a number 2 Omni fountain from Ritchie would have been sufficed, but just because of the system we upgraded to the number 5. So I'll just show you a quick little thing inside here and hopefully this works. So I'll just go inside here. So all we've done here is we've mounted a Grundfos SQE system, and then we've connected to the water pressure tank in the corner and stuff. So we kind of just double insulated it just to kind of make sure it's a little bit more protected in the winter time. This guy's well is really good. It's 10 gallons a minute, so variable speed fits this application perfect. When you start getting into lower production wells, usually about 6 gallons or less, it's kind of a hit and miss if the variable speed will work for you and stuff and that. But in any case, these systems are great. And that I have the controller set for 50 psi. And again, we have this mounted under a Ritchie Omni 5 on a nice 4x6 pad. And again, we're just doing horses here, but again, we've had to go to the larger stock water just to accommodate the system underneath and that. So I'll post some pictures of some other things we've done for this as well. At the wellhead, we've kind of created a little brass junction in the ground off the swing joint of the pitless adapter, and that also feeds 2 hydrants out in the property. So in essence, everything's running off the system underneath the stock water, but it feeds 2 hydrants in the ground. When they decide to build the house, they will have to excavate anyways around the wellhead and expose that little brass manifold I have in the ground, because then we can extend those lines and have the hydrants, the stock water, and the well supply on separate lines coming in, and we can remove this SQE system underneath here, the controller and the tank, and we can actually move it into the house and that. So that's why we've done it this way. So again, it's Brett with Allswell Filtration and Pumping Solutions based out of High River, Alberta, Canada. If you see my truck on the road, wave, honk, say hi. I can be reached at 403-333-7878. You could also email me any questions or anything you want us to look at brett@allswell.ca, and I'll be more than happy to help you out where we can. Take care. We'll talk to you later.